Good day, class. Today, we will explore the concept of the mental self, a fascinating topic that delves into how we perceive ourselves in terms of thoughts, beliefs, and intellectual processes. The mental self forms a significant part of our identity, influencing how we think, make decisions, and interact with the world. Objectives. By the end of this lecture, you should be able to define the concept of the mental self. Explain the factors that shape the mental self. Discuss the relationship between the mental self and overall well-being. Reflect on how understanding your mental self can improve decision-making and personal growth. Part 1. Understanding the mental self. Definition: the mental self refers to the part of your identity that encompasses your thoughts, reasoning, beliefs, knowledge, and intellectual abilities. It is often described as the thinking self, shaping how we understand and process information, solve problems, form beliefs and values. Importance: the mental self is crucial because it helps us make sense of the world. It serves as the foundation for our decision-making. It connects to our mental well-being, influencing how we handle stress, challenges, and emotions. Part 2. Factors that shape the mental self. Education and learning. The experiences we gain from formal education and informal learning significantly influence our mental self. Cognitive development theories, such as Piaget's stages, highlight how our reasoning evolves with age and knowledge. Culture and society. Cultural norms and societal expectations shape our beliefs and thought patterns. Example: Western societies may emphasize individualism, while Eastern societies often focus on collectivism. Life experiences. Successes, failures, and life challenges contribute to the development of our mental self. Example: overcoming adversity can lead to a stronger mental self through resilience. Personal reflection and mindfulness. Practices like journaling or meditation enhance self-awareness, helping us understand our mental processes. Biology and genetics. The structure and function of our brain impact cognitive abilities. Genetics may influence aspects like intelligence and memory. Part 3. Mental self and overall well-being. Cognitive health. A well-functioning mental self leads to better decision-making, problem-solving, and adaptability. Maintaining cognitive health includes proper nutrition, mental exercises, and enough rest. Emotional regulation. The mental self works hand in hand with emotions. Understanding how you think can help manage emotional reactions. Stress management. A strong mental self helps in developing coping strategies, such as reframing negative thoughts or seeking solutions. Part 4. Improving and strengthening your mental self. Critical thinking. Question assumptions and seek evidence before forming beliefs. Engage in intellectual discussions to challenge and refine your ideas. Lifelong learning. Continuously seek knowledge through books, courses, or experiences. Mindfulness practices. Activities like meditation help focus and clear the mind, improving mental clarity. Positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with constructive and empowering ones. Building resilience. Learn to bounce back from failures by viewing them as opportunities for growth. Part 5. Reflection activity. Conclusion. Understanding the concept of the mental self helps us grasp how our thoughts and beliefs define who we are. By actively nurturing our mental self, we can enhance not only our intellectual growth but also our overall well-being. Always remember, your mind is a powerful tool. Use it wisely.